What is going on, guys? Welcome in today's video on how to buy the AST AirSwap token on Coinbase. For the first step, we will need a Coinbase account. If you don't have one yet, sign up through the link in the description and you will get 10 euros of Bitcoin for free. For the next step, we need to log into our account and then you will arrive at this homepage. As you can see, we have a search bar right on top and click on it to type in AST. And there it is, AirSwap Token. Click on it and now you will arrive at the token page. As you can see, we have a price chart over here, so you can see the prices, what is going on at the chart. And after that we have a buy, sell and convert option. We would like to buy, so we will keep it on that. And there are two types of orders you can place in this overview. A one-time order, so a single order for the current market price. Or you can set a recurring buy to set automatic purchases on a daily base, weekly or a monthly base. For now we will leave it on a one-time order, and after that we need to fill in the amount of euro we would like to spend on this order. Let's say for example 1000 euros. We will fill that in and now you can see over here the amount of tokens we are receiving. The next step is select your payment method. Here you can select your payment method by just clicking on it. And now you have an overview with all the available payment methods in my list. If you don't see your preferred payment method over here, you can add a new one by clicking on this button down below. After that, select it and go back to the overview. Now we can review our order. So we will click on this. And now I will give you guys a very useful tip if you want to save a lot of money on trading on Coinbase. As you can see, we are paying a transaction fee for every order or trade we make on Coinbase. This transaction fee is for this order 38.37 euros. If you would like to save this amount of money, you can use the Coinbase One subscription to save yourself the transaction fee. You can try it out for free for 7 days. And after that you will be paying 25 euros a month. So compared to the amount you are saving on only one trade, it's definitely worth it for trying it out. After that, if you have decided to buy these coins, just click on the buy now option and these coins will be automatically added to my assets on the left side. Hopefully this video was very helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we would love to see you in our next tutorial. Cheers guys!